Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm super excited because I'm going to show you how you could tag your products on Instagram using a tool called Later. So if you want to drive traffic and track your revenue from Instagram, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to add links or tag products in Instagram posts so that way you could turn your feed into a clickable, optimized landing page. And you basically could drive traffic to any destination. So you could drive traffic to your Etsy, you could drive traffic to your website, to your blog, to different types of content, to videos, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to drive it, you could do it. So it's a really nice feature that they have. And on top of that, you get additional insights. So you'll be able to see how many people click on the link, how many people, how many pages they ended up viewing when they clicked on that particular link, and how many sales you're generating from each post. And this is really important because when you measure your metrics, then you're able to see what's performing better and what's not, and kind of build a robust line on the things that are working and kind of eliminate the things that are not working. But if you don't know this information, you're not able to determine and grow your business to the next level. So this is another reason why I love this tool. Now, I just added the tool today to my account. I'm going to be trying it out as well because I think is valuable tool, and I wanted to show you guys how to use it. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. So let's go ahead and get started. So once you log in, you have the option to do a free trial. Now, the free trial is only for their scheduling Instagram posts. The free trial is, well, it's actually not a free trial. You get free every month. You get 30 posts that you could actually automate and post them. You could do a week's worth of posts today for Instagram for free. You get 30 for free. That's every single month. So if you just want to sign up today using my link, just for that, you get an additional 10 posts. So you will have 40 posts per month for free without having to put any credit card, nothing. Now, if you want to sign up for the actual link in bio, which allows you to tag your products, keep in mind that is $19, the standard price. And it also comes with 250 posts for Instagram that you could schedule throughout your month. And if you use the link that I will leave in the comment section or below this video, you will get an additional 10 posts per month. So you'll get, basically you're paying for 250, you get an additional 10, so it'll be a total of 260. So, and everything helps. Even if it's just 10 more posts, it will help you add an additional 10 posts per month. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual dashboard of Later. So there are two ways that you could tag your products. You could either go to existing posts that you already have and start tagging those to kind of get that out of the way, or you could post new posts and tag those. I'm going to show you both ways. So these are different posts that are already linked. So anything with the word linked, it just means that I already activated them. And whenever somebody visits my Instagram account, this is my Instagram account, when you click on the bio link, it's going to take them to this landing page. And this landing page has everything that I already have tagged on my Instagram feed. So if somebody wants to learn about this video here, which is about social media, if they click on it, it takes them directly to that video, which is on my YouTube channel. So that's an example of one. If anybody wants to learn, let's say they saw something from like 2 weeks ago on my Instagram account, which is, an Etsy critique, they want to go ahead and buy one from me. If they click here, it's going to take them to my actual Etsy store that sells the Etsy critique. So as you can see, it's taking them to different pages for that particular product or service that I'm selling. And it's really nice because a lot of times if I posted a video, let's say a month ago, let's say I posted this video and somebody wants to watch this video, normally I will put a link in my bio which showcases the latest video. It's not going to showcase the video from a month ago. So therefore, the person might click on it, go to my YouTube page, they can't find that particular video and leave because I'm not serving them what they're looking for. So I'm potentially losing a subscriber, and I'm potentially losing a potential sale, let's say, if I'm selling something, because they're not finding what they want to click on, which is something that maybe I posted a month ago. So the nice feature about this type of service, which is link in bio, is that you could post, people could find your content from months ago as long as you link it. So if somebody wants to get these free planners that I free Pinterest planners that I promoted about 2 weeks ago, they could click and go directly to my Etsy library to sign up to get those today. It's that simple. And you could do this for any types of product and services that you sell. So I highly recommend using it, or at least giving it a try and seeing if it works for you and your products. And basically how you have to do is, let's say I wanted to promote my YouTube channel. I go here. I'm going to put in my link for my YouTube channel. So I should have done this before the video, but I'm just going to grab it real quick. So I'm going to grab this link here. So you grab the link for your YouTube channel and you would just put it here, add link. If you have multiple links, you could do that. You could go here and add additional links and just tag things. So if you want to tag this as for YouTube, and then you want to tag this for a different site like your website, you could do that. You could add multiple links for different products that you have. For this video, I'm just going to put the one link. I'm going to add the link, and it's going to say link here. That's how I know it works. Another way that you could check if it's working, just go to your bio, open it up, and you should see that actual post got tagged. As you can see, is right here. And when people click on it, it's going to take them to my YouTube channel, which is right here. So that's really, really neat that I could do that. So that's the first, the easiest way you could do is tagging old posts and linking them to whatever page you want to do. So you got that one done. Now, if you want to do like a new post, all you have to do is you go to your media library, you download any pictures that you have for your products or services. I'm going to do this one for this video, just to kind of show you like a product-based tagging. So you go to your calendar and excuse me, and you're gonna pick the one that you want to work with. I'm gonna work with this one, and I put for label, I put pink blush because everything here for the most part is pink. So you can also put a price there if you want to, whatever you want. So you put that there, and I'm gonna go ahead and create posts. And from here, you could add your location. So I'm in Chicago. Oops. Yep, there you go. It's okay. You could tag people if you want to. You could put the external link here of where you want them to land, or you could do more links. You could connect your Shopify store if you have one, and you'll be able to tag your product and add pricing and even add a little bit more detail to it. If you don't, then you could just use the regular one, and you could select the product that you want to promote. I'm going to do the lipstick. I'm going to link it to this page. Now, this doesn't go with this page. I'm just doing this as an example. So I'm going to link it right here. And then for the second one, I'm going to point to the mascara. And I'm going to link it to the mascara right here. And add link. Oops. Let me do the mascara again. Or the lipstick again. You have to add link when you connect this, so just keep that in mind. So let's do the lipstick because the mascara actually got it. I actually forgot to put the name, so you put the URL here. I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's say I want to call this Plush Pink. That's the name of the lipstick, I guess. And then you want to go back and edit the first one because I didn't put mascara. So item name, I would put mascara. Whatever your product that you're selling, whether it's an affiliate product, whether it's your own product, just put the title of that, of whatever you're selling. So I put mascara, update it, done. So now it has the two external links, it's showing it here. And what I want to do now is write a caption. So I'm going to put, hey guys, check out my new makeup line of lipstick and mascara. You will love them. But bio, click link in bio. So what I normally do with these type of posts is that I put like a little parenthesis. So tell people where the link is. Do it call to action. You could say link in bio, or click bio link to learn more, or click bio link for details, or click bio link to shop, whatever you want. And then just to show you the additional features that this awesome tool has, you could actually look for hashtags. So you could go here and you could say lipstick, and it's going to pull up a whole bunch of hashtags. You could pick the ones that you think are suited for you. Let's say I wanted to add those 6. I could go up here and put makeup, suggestion. You could add your own hashtags and save them here if you want, and save your captions as well. That's up to you. I recommend doing a brand hashtag, like creating one for your business. So like my brand one is hashtag Nancy Badillo. You should do one like that for your business as well. Once you do all that, it looks good. You have the option to automate automatically, like post it right now, or you have the option to schedule the post. Is really depends on what you want to do. So for this video, I'm just gonna do it now so I could show you how it would look. And it's 8 o'clock right now, so I'm just gonna do that. You're gonna see that the post is right here, 8 o'clock. And then all you will have to do is go back to your Instagram account at 8:08, so I think it's going to be within a minute, and it's going to auto-populate for you. It's going to automatically publish for you, which is really nice. So I'm going to refresh it, and there goes the post. Now, when somebody clicks on it, it has like the bio here. Hey guys, check out my new makeup line, blah, 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 link in bio. So they'll click on the link, and it's going to auto-populate here, as you can see. It's going to be the first one because that's the last one that I just did. And then when I hover on top of it, I could either click here for the mascara or here for the lipstick. And if I click here, mascara view is going to take them to the mascara. And if they click here for the lipstick, it's going to take them to the lipstick. How cool is that? And you could do this for any products. Like if you sell, like I could see myself using this for, which I'm going to start doing, for my party store where I sell weddings and party stuff, and I do bundles of stuff. Like you'll get a wedding sign, table number, placement card, and I could do a picture where I put all of them together and just link all the products to different pages. It's really, really neat that you could do this, and it takes them directly to that particular page. So I do highly recommend that you guys start using this because it's really gonna give you a boost in traffic, and you're going to see what's working, what's not working, what people are clicking on and what they're not clicking on. And once you collect enough data, I would say at least 90 days, because it does take up to 90 days in my opinion to collect enough data to make an informed decision. But once you do that, you'll be able to go to analytics, and you could see like your growth. Like you should be able to see the growth in your followers. You'll have more data here. It doesn't show up for me because I just started today, so that's why it's blank. And then you'll be able to see, I guess, like those are the 2 clicks I just did. So you'll be able to see the 2 clicks, how many pages they view. And then on here, you'll be able to see like how many likes you got for that particular post, how many comments, etc. So it's really, really nice. You'll be able to find who is your ideal target, because now you know who's clicking on your ads. Is more female, more male, what age they are, where they live. And this is all information that you'll be able to use later to identify your target customer. And this is where you will be able to track how many likes, how many comments, impressions reach save, and how many people clicked on the link, and how much revenue did you make from that particular product. So it's really, really cool that you'll be able to check that out, and you'll be able to have data from 1 week, 1 month, or 3 months. And then the hashtag analytics basically shows you which hashtags you should be using that will get you the most clicks, the most likes, and the most comments. So this is telling me if I use the hashtag achieve anything, it could get me a possible of 21 comments. So that's really cool, and it'll be able to give me more details later. Right now it's not showing the data because I just signed up for this. Eventually it will have all the data. It will kind of give me how many impressions I got, how many reach I got, how many saves I got, etc. So it kind of shows you also what keywords are working, what hashtags are working, what posts are working, and etc. And this is just a list of all the different hashtags that I currently use, and it's just going to give me analytics behind it. It's just going to take at least 30 days probably for the information to be there. But I wanted to show you guys another alternative to using Instagram and how to, project your sales, how to check your analytics, how to increase your Etsy sales, or it doesn't necessarily have to be for Etsy if you have your own handmade business. So it could be a handmade business, Shopify, it could be affiliate marketing. You could use it for pretty much anything. Maybe you don't have an e-commerce store and you have a blog, so you could promote your products and services using later. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about using the tool, make sure that you leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you as much as I can. And don't forget to show this girl some love by liking this video. Please share this video. That's all I ask from everyone. If you could share it on your favorite social media platform to bring awareness to my YouTube channel. And if you guys do that, I would love you, and I will add additional videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.